Hey there, creative makers! Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where we bring you the smartest, most reliable, and worth every penny Amazon finds that make your life easier and your projects smoother. If you love crafting, tailoring, or just fixing up clothes at home, then you already know a good sewing machine isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. And today, we're diving deep into the top 5 best sewing machines of 2025, the ones I've personally tested and absolutely trust for both heavy-duty jobs and delicate fabric work. All the Amazon Best Deal links are in the description below, so don't forget to check those out after the video. All right, let's thread this up and jump right in. Number 5. Brother ST4031 HD Serger. I'll be honest, when I first unboxed the Brother ST4031 HD, I wasn't expecting it to be this tough, but wow, this thing is a beast. The metal frame gives it a rock-solid feel. It barely moves even when you're pushing it at full speed. The carbon steel blade cuts through layers of fabric like butter, giving every edge that smooth, professional finish. Whether you're serging denim, canvas, or even stretchy athletic wear, it delivers consistent results without fraying or uneven edges. It's incredibly fast, too, 1,300 stitches per minute, so you can wrap up large projects in no time. And the color-coded threading system? That's a blessing for beginners. Threading this machine feels almost effortless. It comes with 3 accessory feet: standard, blind stitch, and gathering, plus a large extension table that's super handy for curtains, gowns, or wide projects. My take? If you want something powerful, low maintenance, and built to last for years, the Brother ST4031 HD won't disappoint. It's one of those machines that you buy once and use forever. Number 4. Singer X5004 HD Heavy Duty Serger. Now this one's got that classic Singer durability that's hard to beat. The Singer X5004 HD feels solid right out of the box. Its heavy-duty metal frame keeps everything stable even when you're running at top speed. What really stands out to me is the larger cutting knife. It's about 60% bigger than standard, and it makes trimming thick fabrics like denim or upholstery a breeze. No snagging, no skipped stitches, just smooth, clean cuts every time. You can choose between 2, 3, or 4 thread stitches, and it offers 6 stitch types, so you've got flexibility for everything from delicate hems to decorative edges. I love how it handles stretch fabrics. Thanks to the adjustable differential feed, it prevents puckering perfectly. It zips through projects at 1,300 stitches per minute, and with the dual LED lights, you get a crystal clear view even during late-night sewing sessions. My take? If you're someone who works with heavy fabrics or wants an all-arounder that balances speed, precision, and power, this one's a fantastic choice. Plus, that accessory kit it comes with, total bonus. Number 3. Singer Professional 14T968DC. This is where things start to feel really professional. I've used the Singer 14T968DC for everything from wedding gowns to upholstery, and it's hands down one of the most versatile sergers you can buy. It supports 2, 3, 4, and even 5 thread stitching, which means you can handle almost any kind of seam, from rolled hems to cover stitches. And the automatic self-adjusting tension system? That's a dream. It figures out the perfect tension for every fabric, so your stitches always look balanced and neat. The attachable trim trap is a small but genius feature. It collects all those fabric scraps as you sew, keeping your workspace clean. And let's talk speed, 1,300 stitches per minute, so you can move fast without sacrificing quality. It also includes a full kit of feet: blind hem, elastic, beading, shearing, cording, the works. For anyone serious about sewing, this machine is like having a mini professional workshop at home. My take? It's built for creators who demand perfection. A bit of a learning curve, sure, but once you master it, you'll never look back.
Number 2. Brother Serger 1034D. If you're looking for a heavy-duty workhorse that's easy to use, this is it. The Brother 1034D has been one of my go-to machines for years, and it's still a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. It features a solid metal frame, giving it the stability to handle thick layers of fabric. I've used it on denim and even light canvas, and it never skips a beat. The color-coded threading guide makes setup ridiculously simple. You don't need to be a pro to get started. It runs up to 1,300 stitches per minute, giving you efficiency without noise or vibration. The included feet, standard, gathering, and blind stitch let you switch between different sewing tasks seamlessly, and the removable trim trap keeps everything tidy. My take? It's the perfect blend of durability, precision, and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, the Brother 1034D just works every single time. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Meltwater Blue Edition. This one, I'll say it straight, is my personal favorite. The Singer 4423 Heavy Duty is everything a sewing enthusiast could want: speed, strength, and style. The full metal frame and powerful motor give it 50% more piercing power than a standard sewing machine. I've sewn through multiple layers of denim and even leather. It never hesitated once. With 97 stitch applications, you get endless creative freedom, from decorative patterns to utility stitches. The one-step buttonhole feature gives professional-looking results every single time. It sews at 1,100 stitches per minute, which is lightning fast but still precise. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin save tons of setup time, while the LED light ensures perfect visibility. And that extra high presser foot lift? Absolute lifesaver for quilting or thick materials. Plus, the free Singer Creative app adds another layer of convenience. Tutorials, troubleshooting, everything's right there. My take? If you want the best mix of power, control, and modern design, this is the sewing machine that truly earns the #1 spot. Built like a tank, yet easy enough for everyday use. So there you have it, the top 5 best sewing machines of 2025, each one tested, trusted, and loved for its unique strengths. Whether you're just starting out or already running your own sewing business, one of these machines will be the perfect addition to your setup. All the Amazon Best Deal links are waiting for you in the description. Go check out the latest prices and pick the one that fits your craft style best. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another review from Consumer Heaven. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy sewing, smart shopping, and stay creative with Consumer Heaven.